If you want to insert your SIM card into Xiaomi 17, here's what you need to do. So, first of all, we're gonna take a look at the bottom of the phone, and over here, we should be able to find our SIM tray. This is where we insert our SIM card. You need to use an eject tool, SIM eject tool, that you can find inside the box of your phone. We need to put this eject tool into this hole over here, just like that. And then once you put it in, you want to apply a little bit of pressure and push it into the phone so that the SIM tray pops out. Once it pops out, you want to use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove it from the phone. Afterwards, you should be able to insert your SIM card or SIM cards, because we actually have dual SIM in here. Just match the shape of the SIM card slot in order to properly insert your card. There we go. And then let's do this on the other side as well. There we go. And afterwards, we should be able to just put it into the phone. Just push it all the way in and make sure that it is actually fully in. It should not stick out. Avoid causing damage to the phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.